Hello everyone, this video is recorded for Hunt for India's Best Academic Project contest organized by crazyengineers.com. This is Risha Patel with my team members Jala Viraj and Hetal Sunavne. We are from Government Engineering College Gandhinagar and we are representing a project on topic Web Integrated Editor. Web Integrated Editor is mainly focusing on the engineering diagrams like circuit diagrams, UML diagram, flow chart, mechanical component, automobile component. It is cover up all the engineering discipline components, object representation. Here I am presenting the technique and tools part of web integrated editor. In technique and tools, the front end designing is done through the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the backend coding is done through Java, and it covers its all features like JSP servlets and JSON. Now comes the IDE section. In IDE section, the Dreamweaver software is used for front designing. For like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the back-ended Java coding is done through Eclipse Java for Eclipse Java Luna version, and for database we used MySQL. Now the operating system comes. In operating system we have used Windows 7 8 dual core with dual core i3. The main and important feature of web integrated editor that will possesses is that the drawn diagram in SVG will be saved in PDF, WMF, ESP and XML format.
Hello, here this is Hetal Sonone. Here I would like to have you a small glance at the modules we have already completed. Here is the web page for web integrated editor. Here is the link for our integrated editor. Here we go guys. There is some basic modules in our editor that all editor possesses. I would like to give you a small example on like UML. We can use the user component, simply drag and drop the activity component that have pause activity. Now I would like to show you some basic electrical components. In electrical components we have logic gates, simply drag and drop, and other like op-amps. Here we have op-amps. Now we can also change the color of specific in gradient color, like blue color we have chosen, apply. So blue color, here it is. Here we have the coordinates of this component, x, y, w, h, that w for width and h for height. Here is our section for overview of what we have drawing here, and some basic examples of what we have constructed here. Here for electrical engineering, for general purpose, and then showing the DFT diagram. Here is the example what we have created now.
Now, as we told now, the main concept of our project is that it is used by the different engineering students for their project submissions, presentations, then online exams and virtual classes concept. The main aim of our project is that we can use this for the practical examination sessions and exams, so that the teacher and student can easily save the diagram format in the in the PDF and XML format. The student and teacher can easily examine this PDF format and easily examine whatever they have drawn here as a diagram. Our main aim is we want to integrate this with Moodle, so that it would be helpful for online examination and presentation and online submission for the academic purpose.
Hello everyone. Now comes the challenges. The challenges that we have faced while designing our project, and the main challenges, the future scope and the challenges that we will be facing in future. The main challenge I think we'll be facing for our graphical editor would be like we have a vision of integrating our editor to Moodle. The main thing is that Moodle has been designed in PHP, whereas our editor has been designed and coded in Java. So what I think the main problem that we'll be facing will be how to integrate our editor with Moodle. Okay, now comes the main question that why can we win this prize, or rather why should we win this prize? What I think is the 2 points why should we win this prize is, first of all, as I have already said, that it is for the engineers, by the engineers and to the engineers. And this concept of our web graphic editor is, I think so, is very unique and innovative idea. And it's generally and it's mainly for those bibliophiles and catch humans to get out of their spheres and understanding some physical and practical type of concepts by some practical or session knowledge. Now the second point why I think that we should win this prize is that the concept of a web-based graphical editor, it has been designed in Java, and the main thing is that we have already integrated, or we are planning to integrate the main components, like all the engineering disciplines. We are gathering all the components of it, and it will be very useful. I mean, mainly for engineers, it will be very useful if you can get all the components that are useful to you into a one editor. I mean, you do not have to download various editors, and for certain tests you have to use this, and for certain tests you have to use that. I mean, using our editor, you can have some presentation, you can have circuits, you can have diode, everything in one editor. So what I think is, for mainly for engineers, for us people, for crazy people, this will be a very helpful editor, and so I think we should win. Okay, now comes the conclusion portion, the main portion. The main aim of our web-based graphical editor is to overcome the shortcome of integrating various engineering models into a single editor. The web-based graphical editor that we are producing, that we are designing, will act as a framework so that a rich editor will be developed, and various components and modules of any engineering discipline could be inserted or put into that editor for editing purpose. A syntactic consistency test. The web-based graphical editor that we are designed will have some syntactic consistency test during those dynamic and interactive processes. Plus the SVG drawings that have been will be designed in those editors will be dynamic and plus interactive in nature. The time-based modifications, that will be happening in this editor can be expressed in some SMIL format, as well as they will be programmed in some scripting language like ECMS script or JavaScript. The main thing that we are planning to have, the feature set that we are planning to include in our editors will be clipping path, nested transformation, filter, template objects, and many more things, that alpha mask and everything that a basic editor should have. The main thing or the plus point of our editor is we are planning to have this drawings that we are designing. We will be saving those drawings into PDF format, and the SVG file, the SVG format that are produced, they will be produced in Adobe Creative Suite applications. So all and above, what we are planning is to have a graphical editor, no, not the graphical editor, so that all the engineers, all the crazy engineers could get and could use and could edit all the components like presentation, mechanical department, automobile department, our department, that is IT and computer department, having UML, each and everything what I want, what you people want, anything, each and every people want, they can have with our editor. Thank you.